Okay, Eddie, this is the grinding of the one part number, and we are starting out with this part right here, and for right now we're hand loading them. And we're taking them out by hand just because we don't have any automatic loading. And you can see we're at 9.43 seconds with this method, and we don't have the cycle optimized and the wheel optimized just because of the quantity of parts that we had, so we wanted to focus on getting real nice pieces, and we're getting from a micron to under a micron roundness in the most difficult section of the part. And what we've done is we've ground about 50 pieces on the machine at this cycle time. And then we're going to experiment with some faster cycle times and possibly a different grinding wheel to achieve a little bit faster cycle. And we noticed that these pieces came in anodized, and the ones in the video I had taken from when I was visiting you were unanodized. And we want to know what the difference is, the stock removal difference, all the differences that are involved with the two different anodized versus non-anodized parts. And you can see it's consistent from part to part at 9.43 seconds. And with the optimization of the cycle, we would need more parts, and we'll be able to achieve the most optimal cycle, the best cycle time, best wheel life. These set of parameters we have in there right now, we're retracting 65 thousandths, and then we are coming into a start grind position of 3 thousandths over to a coarse grind position of 1 thousandths over. Of course, the fine grind position of 50 millionths over, and then finished grind position of 0. And you can see the different corresponding velocities. And this is an inch, and of course your machine would be in metric. And as you can see here, you have your regulating wheel dresser, your grinding wheel, or your regulating wheel, your grinding wheel, your work rest blade. We did this particular job on the granite. It doesn't make that much difference for what we're doing here. It was the quickest available machine. We have servo motor, gearbox, ball screw, and the 0.1 micron glass scale. The dresser over top of the regulating wheel. And you can see the parts that we've ground so far using this setup is right here. And we've been checking them with Joe blocks, which have indicator mics set. And that's the story.